Hey Comets. So this is your video tutorial on how to make a mood board. And what is a mood board? A mood board is a collection of visuals that serve in defining and communicating a designer's vision for a project. Whether it's graphic, fashion, or website project, the mood board will serve as an early step in the process prior to any actual design work, and it's meant to set the tone and direction. So this is according to Wix Creative. Many of the things you will actually see in mood boards is the presence of shapes that indicate a specific color scheme. In this one, it's blues. You will also see imagery that helps to set a tone, and you may even find some text in there as well. So this video is going to show you how to create a mood board. First of all, you're going to want to go to your classwork tab. Under the digital art unit, you're going to want to select your mood boards assignment. You'll click View Assignment, and it'll take you to your instructions. What you're going to want to do from there is in your upper right-hand corner, it will say that you can add or create. You're going to drag down. Now, I'm going to have to do this a little differently because I'm a teacher and not a student, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Drive, New, and I'm going to have to go down to More. And do you see this Google Drawings icon? When you are in your assignment and adding or creating, you want to look for this Google Drawings icon and click it. It will then open up an untitled drawing. So first things first, I am going to rename it Mood Board. And I want to show you how to do a few things. Your instructions for this are: one, you're going to need to change the background. So when you're changing the background, you're going to do 2 fingers on your keypad and click, and then this little pull down menu should come up. You'll find the background, and then you can adjust a color and pick a color for your background. You'll be looking off of your color scheme sheet, and so let's say I'm going to go with primary colors. So I'm going to pick a blue for my background. That is now done. The next item on your list is you're going to need to have 3 different shapes, one for each color of your color scheme. That might mean you have 2, it might mean you have 4, depending on the color scheme that you have chosen from your sheet. Primary colors, I need 3, so I'm going to go to my shape area here, pull down. Any of these can really be used, any of them that have a space that can be filled. So I'm going to go to my basic shapes, and let's say I'm going to go ahead and go with a circle. I click and drag to the size that I want, and I can always adjust that. And then when I have it to the size that I want, I'm going to go Command C, and then Command V, or a Command D will duplicate. So either one will work. Command C to copy, Command V to paste, or Command D to just simply duplicate. Now I'm ready to add some colors. I can get those where they want. I need to now change the fill color so these circles reflect my color scheme. So I'm going to make I'm going to make this a darker blue. This one, I'm going to go in and we'll make that one a red. And this one, I will go into this fill color. Looks like a paint dripping bucket. And it's going to become yellow. Okay. Now these are not quite, I'm going to fix that one. I want it more yellow. So here are my primary color squares. Now the next thing that we want to do is you're going to need a text box. So I'm going to find the T in a box, text box. I click it. I'm going to click and drag. for this, you can simply write in primary colors. You could write or type in a small poem that reflects a mood or emotion that you're trying to express with your theme. You can change the font just like you can on any document by selecting the words, and you can make them bigger, smaller, what have you. Now, the last thing that you need to have a true mood board is you need to have an image. So I can go to Insert Image and search the web. You can also use this little picture frame right here, and you can go search the web. That's a little bit of a shortcut. So I can search the web, and let's say I want to do some red pictures. And then it will search up, and I can use any of these pictures that I see that are appropriate for what I want. And so let's say I like red tomatoes. Ooh, oh no, I kind of like that rose better. So I'm going to make sure that's the one that's selected, and I insert it. That's going to be way too big. So I'm going to size it down. Grabbing the corners will help you keep your proportions. If you go to the side, you can kind of skew it like that. I'm just going to go undo. I don't really want it that way. So now I'm going to go Insert Image, search the web. This time I need a yellow image. Ooh, these are perfect. Oh no, maybe I like the shades. So we're going to put the shades in here. Again, it's a little big, so I can add that in there. And the object of this whole assignment is just to get used to using the tools in the program so that you can kind of get some basics down. So I need to add one more image, which should be blue, because that's my other color scheme in. Ooh, perfect. I really like that one. It's actually right about the right size. And that's all I need to do. I have 3 pictures that I inserted by searching. I have 3 shapes that I added in of my choice with the colors of my color scheme filling them. I have changed the background, and I have added text that helps reflect the overall theme. Again, if your theme is more in emotion, you can use that, or you can stick to your color scheme. Just a friendly reminder to make sure that it is attached in your assignment in Google Classroom, and you click Turn In when you're done. See you next time.